something that you go through your hair. Comb. Yeah. All right, next.
Next.
Very good.
Yay!
Yeah. That's right. That's what it says, yeah.
Right.
Try again.
Yay.
Yeah.
Yay.
Very good.
Legs. Good girl.
Very good. Keys.
Keys.
Very good. Wait, what's the
Good.
other side say?
Hippopotamus. Yay! That's a long one.
Good job. Yeah.
Clap your hands. Good
Clap your hands.
girl.
Good job. Yeah. Dog.
Dog.
Right. And what does the other side say?
Color.
Colors.
Color.
Yeah, good girl.
Bib. That's right. Yeah. What is this word?
Mammal.
It says arms up. Dicky, dicky. That's right. Arms up. Next. Hands. That's right. Yeah. Good job. Next. Hmm? Oh, close. T. Starts with T.
It rhymes with boys. You're right.
Yeah, it starts with a T. T. Toys. That's right. It says toys.
Yeah, good girl.
Good effort, baby. Yeah.
Circle.
Good job. That's right. Tap. Yes. Tap, 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 tap. That's right. No, that's not what it says.
Teeth, yeah.
Teeth.
Daddy's teeth.
Teeth. That says teeth. Yeah. Teeth. Teeth. Yeah.
Where's your teeth?
Where's your teeth?
Where's Lily's teeth?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job. Next. Are we ready for the next? Tap. You already said that. Good job.
Next card.
And teeth. I know you're fascinated now. Teeth. That's Daddy's teeth. Yeah. Good job. I know those are too long. No.
Violin, it's close.
Close.
You recognize
Very
the word
close.
though.
It says violet.
Violet.
I did it.
Yeah, very good. And what does that one say?
Wow.
Pink.
Pink.
Very good.
Yeah.
Pink.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah.
No.
What's that word?
Wave.
Wave. That's right. Wave your hand. What does the other side say? You know that word. Oh. Don't fold the cards, please. Okay, it says white. That one says
Can you keep the
wh-
card straight?
White.
White.
Yeah, just white.
White.
Yeah, that's right. Well,
White.
that's wood.
White.
That's not white.
Blue.
No, that one's wood.
Next.
What's that one say? Hmm?
Teeth.
Teeth. It's what you do to your teeth. That's right. You brush your teeth. What does the other side of the card say? Brush your teeth. No, let's not go back to my